We're back today. We are going to make Italian meatloaf. Well, Italian stuffed meatloaf. And we're going to start by 2 pounds of hamburger meat, or you could use ground round or whatever you like. And beforehand I sauteed some mushrooms, and that'll go in the middle. And I've sauteed a small onion and half of a bell pepper, and I've sauteed it, and we're going to put that in there. And we're going to put a cup of milk and 1 beaten egg, and a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, I think that's how you pronounce it, Worcestershire sauce. And I'm using Italian breadcrumbs, but if you use plain, you'll have to add the parsley and the seasonings to it. I'm going to put 1.5 cups. Cup and a half. And there's no way around it. We're gonna have to get in and dig. Just mix it all together. I've sprayed a large loaf pan. I'm going to half the mixture. Sauteed mushrooms I sauteed. I want to sprinkle them. I'm going to put it in a 350. We're going to cook it for about 40 minutes. I'm going to check it, and if there's any grease on it, I'll pour that off, and then we're going to put a pizza sauce, a jar of pizza sauce on top for the topping. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes, and we're going to see what it looks like. So here it goes in the oven. I just used pizza sauce, but I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese in it. You know, this kind, that stuff. We're going to put it back in the oven for about 10-15 minutes until just the topping is good and warmed up and the cheese is melted. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.